I'm Pat Quinn. I'm a DUI trial attorney and I can help you. I want to discuss whether or not you should take field sobriety tests. It is not illegal to drink and drive in the state of Ohio. It is only illegal if your consumption of alcohol impairs your ability to drive. So let's assume you're pulled over. The officer got you out of the car and he's saying, I want you to take some field sobriety tests. First of all, there is no law that requires you to take field sobriety tests. My answer is do not take them ever. You're testifying against yourself. You're giving them evidence against you in order for them to prove the case against you. Here's how field sobriety tests came into existence. Because they have to prove that you're impaired to prove their case, they needed additional evidence. So the National Highway Safety and Transportation Board got together. They did some tests in San Diego and other parts of California, and they tested tried out various tests to see which ones might be helpful to them. They settled on 3 tests. One is called an HGN, it's an eye test. It's an involuntary jerking of your eye. The officer puts a stimulus back and forth and asks you to follow it with your eyes. This test is 78% accurate that your blood alcohol content is greater than 0.08. Second test is a walk and turn test. We all know this one. 9 steps out, 9 steps back, heel to toe, hands at your side on an imaginary straight line. Last one is a one-leg stand where you lift one leg, hold it up for 30 seconds, count out loud, and have to maintain your balance. These tests were designed for you to fail. They were designed for the police to prove the case against you. There's no reason to take these tests. Now, let's assume you did take those tests. Every police report says the same thing I read. Failed the HGN, did bad on the walk and turn, terrible on the one-leg stand. I can still help you. These tests are scored like any other test, okay? And if you get a bad mark on a test, it's called a clue. And there's a certain number of clues that that if they mark it down, you will flunk these tests, and then they can use it against you. I find that they don't administer the tests properly, which means I can get them thrown out. And they don't score them properly, which means they put clues down that aren't there. I will obtain your videotape. I will look at them. I am certified in field sobriety tests, and I teach policemen how to do it. When they go to the academy, they get taught how to do these. Then they're out in the field, and their technique deteriorates over time. They get sloppy, they make mistakes. If we can throw out the field sobriety test by filing a motion to suppress, we'll be able to get your case reduced or dismissed. You can reach me at 440-516-3800. Please call me, I can help you.